What if the very ground beneath your feet, the air you breathe, the world that you call home is slowly fading away? This is not a dystopian tale from a science fiction novel. It's a harsh reality we're facing today. The culprit, global warming. Human activities are at the heart of this issue, a fact that might seem surprising to some. It's not an alien invasion or a natural disaster, but our daily routines, our industries, our economies that are causing the temperature of our planet to rise at an alarming rate. Consider this, every time you drive your car, you're contributing to global warming. That's because cars, trucks and buses emit carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. This gas traps heat from the sun, causing our planet to heat up. Factories and power plants are even bigger culprits. They burn fossil fuels like coal, oil and natural gas for energy, releasing vast amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. These gases linger in our atmosphere, creating a kind of thermal blanket around the Earth. But what does this mean for us, for our planet? The effects are far-reaching and devastating. Rising temperatures are causing polar ice caps to melt, leading to rising sea levels. This threatens coastal cities and islands, as the rising waters could submerge them. But it's not just the sea levels that are rising. Global warming is also causing more frequent and severe weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. These disasters can lead to loss of life, property damage, and food and water shortages. Our wildlife is suffering too. Many species, particularly those in colder climates, are losing their habitats due to the melting ice. In the face of such dire consequences, it's easy to feel helpless, to think that as individuals we can't make a difference, but that's not true. Each one of us has the power to combat global warming. You can start small. Consider reducing your carbon footprint by driving less, recycling more, or switching to renewable energy sources. If you're a business owner, you can make your operations more energy efficient. But the fight against global warming doesn't stop there. Use your voice to advocate for policies that reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Encourage others to do their part. Together, we can turn the tide. The world is in our hands. It's up to us to protect it, to ensure that future generations can enjoy the beauty and diversity of our planet. So ask yourself, what can you do to combat global warming? Remember, every little bit helps, and together we can make a big difference. It's time to stop this. It's time to take action. The clock is ticking, and each second that passes brings us closer to a point of irreversible damage. Our planet is gasping for breath, and we are the ones who can provide it. This isn't just about the world we live in today, it's about the world we leave behind for our children and their children. We owe it to them and to ourselves to do everything we can to combat global warming. We need to turn our words into actions, our pledges into commitments. This is a call to every single person watching. Let's stop this for once and for all. Together we can save our planet.